Oh, what's up, Trading Wars Army? Welcome back for another recap. Hope you guys had a wonderful day. Definitely had a great trading day today. And then I really wanted to talk about this concept of core position trading and day trading and the main difference. Okay, so today for me was like a musical video. That's how I felt like it all came together. I was able to take my longer term short, $8,000 in profit there. And also on the day trade side, within 30 minutes, guys, hitting $1,162. All right. So I really want to share this concept here of stacking and how I handled it and just share my experience with this trade. It's been one of the best runs that I've had in my life, actually, because of the fact that I was able to trail this one really aggressively. And I really felt good about this trade. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, who do we have in the building? Hit me with the one if you can hear me loud and clear. Candace, Dr. D, Wesley, Trading Wars Army, Corey, Aaron, Anthony, what's going on? Alicia, Smith, David, same dude, what's going on? Corey, Princeton, D, 2022, what's going on? Rod, Quida, BD, Aaron, Samip. All right, let's do this, guys. Okay. So let's start off with one concept first. And again, appreciate you being here. Day trading. Okay. How many of you are day traders? Hit me with a 10. Okay. So with the day trading side, guys, I have one particular setup that I like to use, and it is the 618 pullback. That's it. When it comes to day trading, that is what I want to hit only. And I try to keep the day trading as emotionless as possible. Because when you are on a 5-minute chart or a 3-minute chart, you have so much opportunities both ways. Okay. But when you're on the higher time frame, there's a lot more force in some of these candles. Okay. But the lower time frame could be going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth like this. You see, this is a range today. So you could have made money both ways. Okay. So let me talk to you today first about the day trade. Okay. And this, guys, this comes from my book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci, just released a few days ago. And I'm going to show you a section right here. All right. So this is what I'm trying to do. This is my day trading setup. Wait at least 10 minutes after the open, identify the dominant direction. Once the direction is established, use your 618. That simple. So let's go ahead and let's do that. So I'm going to hit the replay right here. Boom. Okay. And remember, this is all being called out in the Discord right here. Fibonacci live setups with our bot going step by step. So I'll walk you through both. Okay. So let's let these first 3 candles play out here. Boom. Okay. So is there a clear direction here? What do you guys think? Hit me with a 1 if you see a clear direction. Hit me with a 2 if you don't. So what do you guys think? Me personally right here, guys, especially since we're inside of the previous day's range, I don't see anything clear. I see a box. I see a push down and a push right back up. So what I do then is I just wait until we have that clear direction. And here we go. Boom, boom, boom. So stop right here. So this is coming in here, right, guys, at 1010. Do you see a dominant direction here? Is this a bearish or bullish? Hit me with a 1 for bearish, hit me with a 2 for bullish. Okay. And all I'm going to do from a day trading perspective is I'm going to rinse and repeat the same setup over and over again. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take out the Fibonacci tool. I'm going to go from high to low like this. Okay. So obviously this is a bearish direction. I'm going to go ahead and put on the basic. So what we're looking from a bearish perspective is this. Okay. Push down, pull back to the 618, trade lower. Okay. So here we go now. So here, this is the Discord today. So 1022, we drew up the fib and we got filled short at 1024. You could see that here in the broker statement as well with 15 micros. Okay. So here we go. Boom. Make a slightly new low. Just pull your anchor down right there. And I'm just waiting for the 618. And if it doesn't come, I will pass. Boom. So right there, guys. Okay. Right there. So you see that? That's a big bullish candle. How many of you would be scared taking that trade short? Hit me with the 10. Would you be scared taking this trade short right here? Don't get me wrong. I still do get nervous sometimes when I take these trades, but I just know I always rely on the fact that I have a stop loss for protection and I'm going to lose about 350 to 420, 430, 440, and I'm going to win 1100 plus, 1200, etc. So I always know that I have my risk to reward in place to give me the other edge, which is risk management. So the whole concept here, guys, is I'm looking at this move. I don't care about how it gets to the 618. It can come slowly, it can come aggressively. I don't care. What I'm saying here is this whole block. Okay. So let's go ahead and get out the rectangle. This whole block right here, guys, are shorts. Okay. And these shorts want to continue to short. So if we retrace, they're going to continue to short. That's the whole concept behind this. Okay. So here we go. 1024 filled short. 1031 first target hit. 1032, I said, can I get a boom? 1040 second target hit. 1051 home run. And what you'll notice here, guys, is I've been doing voice notes. Okay. So I added voice notes now. And a lot of people have really liked that. If you're in the Discord, hit me with a 5 if you like the voice notes. So it's just kind of like to walk you through what I'm thinking on a daily basis. I'm not sure why I didn't do this before. I guess I was just too overwhelmed because now I feel like the trading is slowed down for me. Over the years, it's very slow now. It's like for me, taking a trade feels like forever. Whereas when I first started trading, it felt like almost like a blur sometimes. So I know some of you guys feel that way as well. Okay, so I'm here on the 5-minute chart. So here's our fill short, bang, bang, bang. Okay, hovering around a little bit and then boom, that's it. So 1053, guys, right when we're piercing into this new low here, I took my $1,162.65 in profit, right? And I'm done from a day trading perspective. Okay, hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Yeah, so whether you're trading this on futures or SPY, it's the same candles, the same setup. I like to do charting on SPY because SPY doesn't have the overnight price action, so it's a little bit clearer and easier to see. Okay, but my execution will be on futures. Can also be options, whatever you guys choose. All right, so there it is. So that's $1,162. That's my day trade, 30 minutes, making good money. Now, what about the higher time frame? Okay, so let's go here. All right. So you could see, guys, on the bigger picture today, this was one of my biggest runs, guys. $8,000 on 2 contracts. I locked in about 7,500 in total. I didn't get the full 8,000. You're never going to get the full move, but let me walk you through that setup now. So now this right here, guys, let me go back here. This is the hourly chart. Okay, this is the hourly chart for futures. Okay, so this is the hourly chart. So I have a trade set up right now. So let me just go ahead and remove this. Okay, so this right here, my friends, is the hourly setup for futures. Okay, and we also have the 30 minutes. So I like to use the 30-minute and the hourly chart together when I'm looking for higher time frames, because I want these time frames I'm looking for a few days to a few weeks max. Okay, it's not investing. All right, so how do we do that? So last week I took a short with you guys right here. So this was my short Friday at 11:30. So let me walk you through now how I managed that trade all the way until I exited today. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing is, so I took this trade last Friday. Take our Fibonacci from the high to the low like this. So I went short on the 618, and I knew this trade was going to be an amazing trade because as soon as I went short, right away I was up $2,000-$3,000 right away. Like this move right here was about $2,500. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So whenever you get some of those trades on the higher time frames and you see as soon as you get it, it flips, then you know that you're in a good trade, because that usually means you caught the right algorithm. Okay. And another reason that I took this is my new Fibonacci dragon pattern. So right here, high, low, pull back, low, extension to the 618. Let's go ahead and move this over to the left. So this was another reason why I wanted to do that. Okay. So now how do we manage this trade? So I'm going to double click and I'm going to show you guys a tool. So I hit the full. Okay. So now the full extensions here, all of these extensions are targets. Okay. And you can use a trailing stop. So from this trade that I took last Friday, I identified that I am going to be bearish on the bigger pictures. Okay. I want to go bearish on the bigger picture. So what do? Watch this now. Okay. So I'm going to just delete this. So remember, this is our entry right here. Watch this now. Okay, guys. So right here, guys, this is the Monday. So I take my next Fibonacci high to low. I see another 618. Okay. So this is another 618. So that is my trailing. Okay. Now coming into today, we start to sell off right here aggressively. So right here, guys, when we start to sell off aggressively, I flipped over to the hourly chart and I found this outside bar. So outside bars on the higher time frame, guys, are very, very powerful to trail your stop loss. I love doing that. So this one came in right at 9 a.m. and I moved my trailing position right there. Okay. And then what I did right here, guys, this is at 9 a.m. I went short on the 5-minute that I just showed you. So I actually doubled up my short size. But how was I able to do that? Because on the bigger picture, I use ES. Okay. But on the smaller time frame, I'm using MES. Hit me to 75 if that makes sense. So now I am using two instruments, but they're both S&P 500. Okay. I could have also used options if I wanted to. Okay. So now I'm leveraged in the direction of the higher time frame, which I identified last week is I want to short. Okay. And then to be safe, I take the profits off on the day trade because I want to keep it emotionless. And then right here, I just started trailing. So what I did here, guys, on my last trail stop, I actually went down to the hourly here, guys. And you see right here, I drew this Fibonacci high to low right here. And I was able to get out right around the 618. So I use the Fibonacci on the higher time frame to guide me to when to get out. Because what I noticed is, remember, so this is our trade. On the way down, high to low, look, 618 held. On the way down, high to low, 618 held again. On the way down, here we go, high to low, 618 held again. And even this one overnight, okay, so if you use this little anchor, go back to the 30-minute, there was this outside bar anchor. This is what I was looking at last night. Go high to low again, 618 held again. So that is confirming the bearish momentum for me, and I just continue to follow that. But today we had something change, and what changed is that 618 broke. So I decided to lock in the profits on that and then just look for a new setup. So this is the new setup that I have right now. Just go back all the way, guys. I already drew up my new setup. I'll show you guys right now. Right there. Okay. So now this is going to be a completely brand new trade. But what I did was I paid myself. Hit me with an 11 if that makes sense. You got to pay yourself. If you don't want to pay yourself in this business, you're not going to make money. No one went broke paying himself. All right. So this setup that I'm looking at right here, guys, is another dragon, high, low, pull back. Okay. Oops. And then move this C anchor down here. And then our D is right here. This is what I'm looking at for Thursday and Friday. So I'm just going to double click on that. Let me move it over to the side here so you guys can see. Okay, so that's my next setup here. I've also posted it in the Fibonacci power section in the Fib Society, and looking for that setup there. All right, guys, so that was the lesson. Basically, to summarize, the core position on the higher time frame, what I like to do with that is give it room to let it run because it can make a ton of money. Okay, when you're day trading, for me, it's emotionless in and out because in an instant like that, everything can reverse. But the higher time frames bear more weight. The best combination, the best feeling is when you are shorting or going long on a higher time frame, and then you're adding to that position on the 5-minute chart and doubling up your gains. All right. So hit me with a 4 if that all makes sense. All right, guys. So really hope you enjoyed that, my friends. And everything that I just talked about is in my new book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci. And just wanted to show you here. Here's a real trading log, $16,000 in profits over 46 trades. And what I did here, guys, is I documented a lot of trades with the broker statements and the live callouts as evidence. And then I wrote down exactly what I'm thinking, just like how I'm explaining it to you. And I really think you could benefit a lot. There's also video recordings. Okay. So if you're interested, guys, sign up right now for the Power of the 618 Fibonacci. All you got to do is email me, rich@tradingwars.com. I've extended the release sale until this Sunday. There was a lot of people that emailed me that they are not getting paid till Friday. So I decided, okay, I'm just going to let it go till Sunday. I'm going to do a giveaway for this book right now at the end of the stream for all the support that you guys have been giving me. But if you're interested, Fib Society, I'm going to do it 20% off. It's going to come with 2 months in the SPY VIP. So here's the SPY VIP right here, guys. And this is where you're going to be able to get the live alerts like what we did today with the Fibs on the SPY. Okay. And it's going to come with 2 months for free in the room. And the 2 months in the room is $100. Okay. And if you get the 20% off of the book is only $129.99 with the 20% off. Okay. And you're going to get also lifetime access to the Fib Society, which is this society right over here. And right here, guys, this alone, if you go through these notes that we keep every day, you could see, look at these notes, guys. If you go through this every day, I really feel like this is really good value right here. Okay. So detailed notes every single day to really, really push you. If you want to learn the 618, guys, this is basically my whole career that I'm putting out there for you guys because I believe in it. And I'm going to do it all the way till the end. All right. And grateful to have you guys on this journey. All right. So if you'd like that hookup, guys, just email me rich@tradingwars.com and I'll post the link in the YouTube right after. All right, guys. So here we go. Let's do a giveaway to wrap this up, guys. Hit me with a 5 if you're ready for a giveaway. Are you ready? I'm just going to go to my channel right now. I'm going to go to the live video. This is the video you are watching right now, my friends. Okay, so this is the video you're watching right now. I'm going to go back. And this one right here, documentary, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci is here. If you have not watched this video, you really should. All right. I'm going to go ahead, link this, leave a comment on this video, and I will pick a winner from this video. I'm also going to do a cash giveaway for the Trading Wars Army. It's going to be $50. So to be eligible for that, guys, hit the join button. It's $4.99 a month. And every month I give back $50. So if you're paying $5, you have a chance to win 50. I think that's a pretty good deal. Give back some of the gains. And we'll also be doing a seminar pretty soon. All right. So make sure you guys are locked and loaded. Trading Wars Army members will get the seminar for free. Okay, guys. So hit me with a 7 when you're done commenting. And then we will do it. Let's get the random number generator. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to do it different this time. I'm going to sort by newest first so that I can ensure that the people in this video, someone's going to win. So I'm going to just switch it up. I'm going to go newest first. And the third person that commented on the newest first on my screen will be the winner. All right. So here we go. Hit the refresh. And we're going to go newest first. So ignore my comment. 1, 2, 3. So right here, for a trade, 31 seconds ago. Awesome video. Thanks, Rich. For a trade. Are you in the chat? Hit me with a 10 if you're in the chat, guys. Let's congratulate For a Trade. Hit him with a firebomb. We got to appreciate the winners, guys. You'll always have a chance to win, so don't feel like you missed out. There's always going to be another chance, but let's send some love and positive vibes, and let's finish this week strong. You know, I was honestly considering not trading for the rest of the week because I made so much, and sometimes you'll get in your own head, but I will continue to trade for the rest of the 2 days, and I just got to be careful. All right. Sometimes when you win big, guys, you can give it all back. So be very, very careful. All right. For a trade, I don't see you in the chat, but just email me rich@tradingwars.com, brother, and I will take care of you. All right, guys. So if you want to grab a copy, you want to come join us, 2 months for free in SPY, lifetime access to the Fibonacci Society, really, really nice harmonic patterns, different things here, guys. Thank you so much for your time. And I may not be streaming for the rest of the week. I will be traveling again. And probably see you guys on Sunday. All right. Thank you, my friends. Appreciate you guys. Have a great, wonderful rest of your week and make some gains.